Hi guys, this is Oliver from ICLS. Many students over the last decade have asked me how best could they approach the subject of jurisprudence and legal theory. Now, what I tell them is there are different ways of approaching a subject, but jurisprudence is unlike any other subject that you would have studied in your level 4, 5 or 6 for the University of London's LL.B program. Now, why is this so? Jurisprudence is not heavily bent on case law, nor is it section oriented, but on the contrary, it is full of various theoretical conceptions as to what various theorists have considered law to be. Some have defined law, some have described law, and others have given prescriptive guidance as to what law is. So when you are approaching jurisprudence, it's very important for you to first of all understand the various conceptions of law. Thereafter, you need to know and understand the different criticisms that have been leveled against a particular theorist's proposition. Thereafter, you need to build up your critical analysis skills. Now, this is fundamental in order for you to get those high 60s and high 70s. So in order for you to be able to get the maximum out of this subject, you need to not only be able to understand the various theorists' perspectives, you need to know and understand the criticisms, and you need to give in your perception or your perspective as to what you think. Is the theorist's point of view correct? Is it wrong? Are the criticisms correct? Are they wrong? Why are they correct? Why are they incorrect? So if you are able to build up this mechanism, then you are surely going to be able to succeed at this subject. Thank you very much.